What is hidden behind a purchase made on ShopClima?
Behind every online shopping experience, there is an entire warehouse at your disposal, with thousands of items available for immediate delivery. On ShopClima, you can count on a constantly updated catalog, with the best products from the most famous brands. And the prices? Very advantageous, thanks to the direct relationship with the best manufacturing companies on the international scene, which allows us to guarantee the sale of original and very high-quality products.
And how is an online order managed on ShopClima?
Our back office staff checks each order very carefully and, only after checking that everything is okay, communicates the ordered products and accessories to our warehouse staff. The warehouse workers, in turn, carefully remove the goods from the shelves of our warehouse with the utmost precision. Then, place them on pallets, so that they can be shipped with maximum protection and security. We at ShopClima do not save on packaging material. In this way, we reduce to a minimum the probability that the goods may suffer damage during international shipments. Shipping is carried out by our trusted express couriers, who deliver the order no later than 3 working days from receipt in our warehouse.
Can I trust ShopClima?
Certainly. ShopClima is cutting-edge logistics and professionalism. Our staff is able to guarantee you a competent, efficient and courteous pre- and post-sales assistance service. Those who make purchases on ShopClima know that they are benefiting from maximum transparency and reliability in shipments and in the sold products from the best brands and of the highest quality. We at ShopClima work hard every day to ensure that you are always satisfied.
With ShopClima you are in good hands.